So hi guys, so I'm a sort of rider who wears different kinds of shoes while riding the motorcycle at different times. And in order to feel comfortable with the different shoes that I wear while riding, it is essential to adjust this gear shifter that you see here to your preference. And this also applies to everybody, as everybody has different foot sizes and obviously the manufacturer cannot customize the shifter to everybody's preference, right? So say I'm wearing a sneaker while I'm just riding around my neighborhood at slow speeds. So you'll see that there is a considerable amount of gap between my toe and the shifter. So you would basically want the shifter to just touch the toe to get that precise riding or gear shifting click. So now in the second scenario here, I'm wearing tactical boots, the shape and width of which can be, compared to a motorcycling or riding boot. So here you will notice that the gear shifter is already touching my toe and I have to place my foot on the foot peg at a downward angle to compensate for that. And here in the third scenario, I'm wearing ankle boots from Woodlands. This is the boots that I generally wear most of the time. So here also I would like the angle of the shifter or the shift lever to be a little higher to place my foot naturally on the foot pegs. Guys, now that you know why adjusting the gear shifter is important, so in order to adjust the shifter to your preference and make your ride more comfortable, all the tools that you really need are just two spanners which are already provided in the onboard toolkit that the Interceptor comes with. So with the number 10 spanners, just loosen these two nuts and you have to rotate the adjuster in a way that when you turn this away from the motorcycle, the shift lever will go upwards as you see here. And when you turn this towards the bike, the shift lever should go down. So now once the lever is adjusted to your preference, just tighten these two lock nuts into place and that's it, you're good to go. And one more thing guys, in order for a gear shift to be precise, there shouldn't be too much play in the shift lever. So it's just an 8mm pinch bolt here. You just need to tighten this as this becomes loose due to everyday use. So tighten this till the play is minimum and that's it. You should end up with precise gear shifts the next time you ride. So that's it guys, these adjustments should give you a precise gear shift next time you ride. So guys, if you liked my video, please hit the like button and please guys consider subscribing.